Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen upgrades with a review of the AIMADI commercial single handle single hole with pull down sprayer kitchen faucet. If you're looking to enhance both the functionality and style of your kitchen, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Now, let's get into it. The AIMADI commercial single-handle single-hole kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer is a high-quality kitchen faucet designed for both commercial and residential use. It features a single handle for easy temperature and flow control, along with a convenient pull-down sprayer for versatile use in the kitchen. The AIMADI commercial single-handle single-hole kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer is a kitchen faucet that features a single-hole mount, a pull-down sprayer, and an oil-rubbed bronze finish. It has a high arc spout that swivels 360 degrees, providing full sink access and superior clearance. The pull-down sprayer ensures high pressure while still saving on water. The oil-rubbed bronze finish is resistant to water spots, rust, and corrosion. Here are some of the key features of the AIMADI commercial single-handle single-hole with pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet. Multifunctional outlet water effect. Bronze kitchen faucet has two-way spray setting stream. Spray stream for filling water. Spray for rinsing. Avoiding splashing in multitask mode, providing stable water pressure, makes cleanup easier. The kitchen faucet bronze high arc 360-degree swivel spout for full sink access and superior clearance. Pull-down sprayer ensures high pressure while still saving on water. The oil-rubbed bronze finish is resistant to water spots, rust, and corrosion. It will continue to look stunning for years to come. The included ceramic cartridge has been subjected to a robust open and close test to ensure it won't leak. The fitted ceramic cartridge passed the 500,000 open and close test. Easy to install, everything you need is in the package. You receive the required kitchen faucet oil-rubbed bronze, water lines, mounting, hardware, pull-down hose and water line hose pre-installed in kitchen faucet to save your time under the sink. Easy to operate, single handle, easy control of hot and cold water and flow volume. Easy to maintenance, superior corrosion and rust-resistant finish prevent dirty from sticking to faucet surface, easy to clean sprayer nozzle. This is made from rubber and will prevent any buildup of minerals and lime scale. Clean faucet by cloth is enough in daily use. Here are some pros and cons about AIMADI commercial single-handle single-hole with pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet. Pros: commercial grade quality, convenient single-handle operation, pull-down sprayer, bronze finish, single-hole installation, affordable price. Cons: limited color options, noisy operation. Overall, the AIMADI commercial single-handle single-hole kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer offers durability, convenience, and a touch of elegance for your kitchen, but it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the AIMADI commercial single-handle single-hole with pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.